Heneral, ang mo mag-Ingles?
Excuse me?
What is it?
Ili vobos.
Yeah, apparently.
Ozaswi General Antonio Luna.
Wait. Ali, doon! Yan!
What?
Just need a little bit of patience.
That train, sequestered by the American, right?
I'm not quite sure.
You're not quite sure.
That's quite correct, sir.
I'm quite sequestering that train.
What? That's absurd, sir.
Pagbangkit ka na, Heneral.
Absurd. Absurd! General Commandant of the Philippines, absurd. Alice!
Wait. I have documents, sir.
Oh my goodness. Signed by the Secretary of States. Generally everything.
None other.
Ano naman, naubusan ako ng English. Aresto nyo na!
Masarap pala yung saymada nila dito eh.
Mainit.
Ito lang. Heneral, may problema pa tayo. Hindi po. Kung opisyal natin, inimbitahan ka nila ang mga pamilya at kamag-anak nila upang sumakay ng tren. Wala namang maupo ng mga tao. Mo. Ang hirang motor ba?
Buking na natagito yun, mali tayo magpasyar! Awid!
Ano kaya? Ay, shit! Nakakabod po ito tulig daw. Hindi pa. Go. Wait lang!
Anak ng mga inutil! Hindi tayo mamamasyal! Baba!
Action.
Reaction naman sila yung I love you. I love you. Oh my goodness. Signed by Secretary Robil Domingo.
No.